Hello friends, welcome to Excel Skill Corner. Topic of this video is freeze and split screen features. As you can see in the screen, if it is a lengthy data like this, there will be a lot of columns and rows. Problem with this kind of data is that when you scroll towards the right, the row headers will not be visible. When you scroll down towards the bottom, column headers will not be visible. Solution to this problem is the freeze pane option in the View tab, which says keep rows and columns visible while the rest of the worksheet scrolls based on current selection. We shall consider the cell B5, which is at the intersection of the row and column. Keeping the cursor here, we shall select freeze pane option. Now we can see a line break after the column headers and towards the right of the row headers. As we scroll to the right, the row headers are visible, and when we scroll down, the column headers are also visible. So now it is easy to understand what is the data that we are viewing. If we want only the column headers to be visible, we can select the freeze top row option. Likewise, if we want all the row headers to be visible, we can select the freeze top column option. In a lengthy data, in order to compare rows at the beginning and those towards the bottom, we can use the split screen option. We shall click on the cell or select the row where we want to compare the data and select Split option from the window category in the View tab. As a result, we can see two scroll bars on the right side. Now, this will enable us to scroll the data from half of the sheet and thus compare data from two different locations which are very far from each other. This is a very necessary and unavoidable option while dealing with large volumes of data. There are times when we have to work on different sheets of the same workbook. One sheet might be used for reference. For this, we can use the new window option from the window category of the View tab. This will create a new window of the same workbook, but there will be a 2 in the name of the workbook of the new window. On clicking on the Arrange All option in the window category, Arrange Windows opens up. Select the tiled option from the window, which will arrange both the windows side by side, which will help us in the comparative study of the data. With that said, I'm signing off. Let us meet again in a new video with a new topic.